What's going on?
I don't know.
My ears are all messed up now.
Yeah, I can hear something.
So this...
Where's the weather? We need to look at the weather online. I'm gonna go search up the weather.
Okay.
Wait, where's Chimchar? He's planning this.
He's over there.
Wait, then who's doing this?
I have no idea.
Wait.
We're not the ones who controlling the weather, you know. Yeah, we don't control the weather. Usually we don't control the weather.
You never control the weather.
No, we're not the ones who control it. We have to go outside and see what's going on.
Why would we go outside?
No, we can't go outside.
Of course we can. Dummies.
Hey! Hey!
Hey! Hey!
Oh, I see a live camera outside.
What? Where?
Oh, it has some good music. Wait, don't. Oh,
Okay.
wait. People are outside. Guys, I think I see something.
What? What do you see?
It's a halo.
No, that's a tornado.
Where is it?
I hear a siren.
Oh, look, Washburn University.
Oh no. That's what I can hear a siren.
Alright, we need to go to Storm Chasers.
This is a shelter.
Yeah, but we need to...
I know a shelter.
Here's a...
I know a place. Under the stairs. There's a room under the
People are
stairs.
live broadcasting what they see outside right now.
Are they done?
Well, just as well just call them storm.
They know what they're doing. You
Um,
head out there, you will die. You'll get sucked up in that thing.
Seeing the thunder. This is really bad.
We're toast, people. What do we do? What do we do, man?
Get the shelter. You guys know what to do.
Okay.